Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookie mix. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for easy assembly. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar on hand. This preparation makes the mixing process smooth and efficient. Now, let's combine the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add the 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to the flour mixture. Stir these together until they are evenly distributed. Finally, fold in the 1 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of chocolate chips, ensuring everything is thoroughly mixed. Once your mix is ready, it's time for storage. Carefully transfer the entire oatmeal chocolate chip cookie mix into an airtight container or a decorative jar. Don't forget to include baking instructions for future use. These should specify adding 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Store your homemade mix in a cool, dry pantry for up to 3 months, ensuring delicious cookies whenever you desire. To bake these delightful cookies, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a separate bowl, combine the cookie mix with 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter. Mix until just combined, then drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link for the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your freshly baked cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.